The last mild autumn weather continued throughout the day. Starting with the west coast and Jeju Island tonight, the rain will expand to other parts of the country overnight. As for the amount of rainfall, up to 100 millimeters of heavy rain is forecast in the mountainous areas of Jeju Island, 20 to 60 on the south coast, and 10 to 40 in southern inland areas and central parts of the country. With heavy rain, strong winds are also expected. Therefore, preliminary warnings of strong winds are in place for coastal areas, the Jeollla-do Provinces, Chungcheongnam-do Province, and the Gyeongsang-do Provinces. Gusty winds of more than 20 meters per second will blow on the west coast and south coast tonight and expand across the country tomorrow. Please take extra precautions. Morning will start off at 10 degrees Celsius in Daejeon, Gwangju, Daegu, and Gyeongju. Daily highs will move up to at least 10 degrees nationwide. The first snow is expected in inland areas, including Seoul this Wednesday. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.